Hi, welcome to Grade 7, Chapter 7, Part 1, Common Denominators. So we're finally getting into the meat of the fractions part. So a common denominator is a common multiple of the denominators of a set of fractions. So a common denominator for 4 and 6 is 12 because a common multiple of 4 and 6 is 12. When we're finding common multiples, we have to go larger. So when we take 4, we know that it's 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, etc., etc., etc. When we take 6, we have 6, 12, and right away we know we can stop right there because 6 and 12, those are common. So we can go to the common denominator. So use multiples. So 1 and 2 and 2 and 3. So we need to worry about the bottom. When we do this, we don't worry because it's common denominator, which does not worry about the top, and we'll worry about the top afterwards. So 2 and 3. When we use multiples of 2, we go 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, blah, 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 blah. When we do 3, we do 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 19, or 15, 18, 21. When we go through, 3 is out because 2 and 3 are out because they're not both on the list. 4 is out, but 6 is both on. So when we have 6, I'll just stick with this for a little bit. We're going to change, how do we change 1 over 2 into 6? So we know that because we're good at this, we multiply by 3 because it's the first, the second, the third number. That's the third number. So we multiply both sides, the top and the bottom, by 3. So sorry, that's going to be 3 over 6. So we know that's 3 over 6. The second one is 2 over 3. So we know what that's going to be to 6 as well. So when we do this, we multiply by 2. So whatever we do to the bottom, we do to the top. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 and 6. So if we're going to add those, we can add them. If we're going to subtract them, blah, blah, blah. But we know that 3, 6 and 4, 6, if we had to compare them, 4, 6 would be larger than 3, 6, right? Multiples, common multiples of 8. 8 and 3. So again, we just find 8 and 3. So as we go through common multiples, 8, 16, 24, 32, 40. We go through 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. That's in both lists. So we know that common multiple of 8 and 3 is 24. A common denominator is 24. So multiply the two bottoms together. If you're really stuck and you're not sure how to get there, an easy way, it's not always going to be the lowest number, and this gets really large really quickly. But if you're stuck, you can always multiply the two bottom numbers together because it will always make a common denominator. So 5 and 10, a common denominator would be 10, but if you put it with 5 times 10, they both go into 50. So check and check. So 50 will work. That's just kind of a last ditch. If you're really confused, multiply them together. And that's it. Your homework for 7.1 is up on social7.ca. So thanks, or the website or whatever we're using. Thanks.